everyone. Let's look again at 5.1 in the supplement, section A, number 11, because this is a key problem. So essentially, we have, let's see, how many three-digit numbers contain no sevens? So that was the first part. So we have three-digit numbers and no sevens. So we cannot include sevens. Let's think about this. How many, here's the first digit. Now it can have a 7, but it also can't have a 0, because if this were a 0, then it would be a two-digit number. So our choice for what can go in the first place of this three-digit number, our choice is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or not 7 or 8 or 9. So how many choices do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 possible digits that can go in the first slot. Now the second digit of this three-digit number, it can't have a 7, but it can have a 0, because it doesn't matter. It's in the second place. It's in the tens place. So it could be a 0, it could be a 1, it could be a 2, it could be a 3, it could be a 4, it could be a 5, it could be a 6, can't be a 7, but it could be an 8, and it could be a 9. So how many choices do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 choices for the second place position. Which, oh, well, the third digit is the same. So actually, I'm just gonna, I'll just say, and third digit. Same thing. It just can't have a 7, but it could have a 0. 9 choices. And remember, this was an 8 because 0 was not included in our subset of numbers, because you can't have a 0 in the front, because then it would be a two-digit number, not a three-digit number. So the answer is 8 times 9 times 9. I don't know. We can use our calculator for that. In fact, I'm going to get my calculator up, because this, and you can have a calculator on the quiz, so life is great. Okay, calculator. 8 times 9, which times 9? 648. Yay, technology. 648. Okay, now there's a second part in number 11, which is the tricky part. I'm not going to lie. How many, oh my God, 5.1b. What you don't know is I just lost my page, but that's okay. So that was how many numbers, how many three-digit numbers contain at least one 7. Now here's the crazy part, is first let's count how many three-digit numbers are there altogether, and minus how many contain 7s, and that'll give us how many contain no 7s. So minus, so basically we have all the three-digit numbers minus how many are that are no 7s, and that'll give us three-digit numbers that have some 7s. Just let that sink in. Some 7s, which also means at least one. So at least one 7. I know that looks crazy. Just bear with me. So altogether, I'd like you to know that at this moment in the video, Emma and Siona and Sarah are banging on the door. Okay, altogether, how many three-digit numbers are we talking about? Well, we can't have a 0, because then it wouldn't be a three-digit number, but it seems like we have 9 choices left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what could be our second digit in a three-digit number? Well, anything. It could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sounds like we have 10 choices. And for the third digit in a 3 number, altogether, these are, I should write three-digit numbers. It sounds like we have 10 choices for that one as well. We know that the number, we know that this is actually this answer. So we could say 8 times 9 times 9, or we just know that that's 648. Your choice. And that's going to give us our answer. So we're going to work on this. And maybe I should have made a box so we know what the answer is. So basically, what's 9 times 10 times 10? Well, that's 900 minus 648, which is 8 times 9 times 9. Well, 900 minus 648 sounds like it's going to be 3, I'm going to use my calculator. I should have been able to do that in my head. 252. 252. So that's it. That's it. Equals 252. So what we did was we figured out all the 3-digit numbers minus the ones that don't contain a 7, and that leaves us the ones that do contain a 7. So we do all minus none, and that's what Mr. Najim calls these questions. He calls them all minus none questions, maybe all minus no. You can do this. I have total faith in you. Thank you.